to turn off two-factor authentication on Gmail. A step-by-step guide. In recent times, hacking has become very common. It can be extremely difficult to distinguish between a scam email and a legitimate one because hackers now use sophisticated tactics to deceive people. Therefore, to avoid such hacking attacks, phishing, and the likes, Gmail introduced a way to secure your account and the sensitive data in it by activating two-factor authentication or 2FA. Two-factor authentication, in addition to your username and password, requires you to enter a code that Google sends you via text or voice message upon signing in. However, there might be times when you need to turn off two-factor authentication temporarily. Once the two-factor authentication is deactivated, you won't get any prompts, but will get to know only when someone signs in your account through a Google Security Alert email. Here's how to disable two-factor authentication on Gmail on Android and iOS. First, open Gmail on your phone. Now tap your profile picture or initials. Now click on Manage Your Google Account option. Now select Security from the menu, then tap on Two-Step Verification in the How You Sign In to your Google section. Now confirm your password or passkey if required, and click Turn Off and tap Turn Off again to confirm. Here's how to turn off two-factor authentication on Gmail web. Turning Gmail 2FA off on a computer isn't much different from Android or iOS devices. Go to myaccount.google.com website and sign in. Click on the security option on the left. Select Two-Step Verification under the How You Sign Into Google section. Now click Turn Off Two-Step Verification and tap again to confirm your choice.